We were in Los Angeles for a weekend event at USC, and because we had an early start and expected a lot of traffic, we decided to stay right here at the USC Hotel. The location made everything so much easier. It's directly across from the campus, so we could just walk over in the morning without worrying about parking or hauling our things through busy streets. The hotel is owned and operated by USC. It's right next to campus, and it's also within walking distance of other attractions. The USC Hotel offers a variety of room types, whether you need one king bed or two doubles. All the rooms come with practical amenities like complimentary Wi-Fi, a mini fridge, a work desk, safe, coffee and tea maker, and a TV. Now let's take a look at the room we booked. Weekend access to the USC campus is limited, and not all entrances are open. You can check the current weekend gate hours by searching USC Weekend Access and visiting the school's official page. Based on the information there, the McCarthy entrance near the USC Hotel is open on weekends, while the party entrance is closed. Checking the gate list ahead of time makes it much easier to plan your walk onto campus on the weekend.